In January 2025, China and India are going through a problem, and China is basically building the world's largest dam without really telling India, but India found out. So this partially has to do with the social media dominance and the creation of many handheld products and everyday products that China as worldwide factories have done. And their reason that this is continuing is because the preference that Europe has to the light skin, that it's easily able to mix up and get confused about who's actually the white skinned person who's developed a product. Because honestly, you should really look at some products and why some businesses fail is because it's not really credible with the white historical European technological advancement that Europe has invented with the colonization that they've collected their intellectual property from. And China is able to mix it up with the Europe's, and Europe's able to mix it up with the China, so they go back and forth, and now it's just a huge political stop heave that you need to stop China in 2025. But that has to do with more or less the Indian subcontinent having many ancient religions. Now people might argue Zoroastrianism or Mazda is even more ancient, but we all know that's probably another radioactive bullshit study, just because we're able to say that Christopher Columbus was looking for India when he discovered North and South America.